Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Rider in Red coming live from Berlin, Alabama. Speaking of Berlin, I want to do a shout out to someone very awesome, because today, today we're going to somewhere very cool, and I want to thank her for giving me the idea to visit cool places and make vlogs about my favorite places here. Whew, that was fast. Alright, so where we're going has been locked down to the public for, I think, 30 years. Couldn't find the info online. But then again, I didn't look up online. Yo, can you say lazy? Alright, actually I think it might have been locked down even during the USSR, but here we are visiting it finally, due to the new Prime Minister kind of opening it up for the public, which is cool. It's cool. That bike had a fucking cop sound. That's illegal, dude. This is also kind of illegal, but barely. Okay, barely illegal. So anyways, where we're going is, drumroll, we are going to the House of Parliament and House of Prime Minister / the President. Honestly though, I wish I looked it up how it is in English, because I have no fucking clue. Say lazy one more time. If you actually like the idea of me visiting some cool places or my favorite places here, drop a comment below, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. I always feel so shameful when I'm plugging my channel. Now, I have to say two more things. Number one, today's this city's 2800th birthday. Wow. Cool. There's supposed to be some celebrations going on, but I don't think we're gonna be in that part of the city. But that place we're going to might be a little crowded. Not sure. I also have a drone with me, but I don't think they're gonna allow me to fly it there due to some national security issues or concerns. Whatever. I do know one thing, that that place is full of cops and military personnel. But yeah, it's become one of my favorite places to be in, because the garden is awesome, and we're getting really close. Actually on the right here, that's where we're going. It's so cool to chill in the park there. Dude, what's up? Okay. These kids are really surprised. So the thing is, and the reason I like it here, is because this place has been locked down from the public for around 20 or 30 years. And we're now finally able to walk in and see what's up inside, right? Yeah. Although like parts of it are closed, we're still able to like at least walk half of it, which is cool. And I really love the building. It's one of the older buildings built in the city, like when the city was reconstructed pretty much, right? And so just being able to walk up to it and just enjoy its glory. There we go. And just enjoy its glory. It's pretty satisfying. Kind of makes you feel a little patriotic, although it's a difficult term for me to fully like comprehend in a way. How bones? Huh? Давайте. Twin, Matt, this is twin sister, ik zag het. Oh yeah. Oh, it's erg. Have fun.
kids are enjoying it. I was reminded recently that I do a lot of like distracting when I'm making a point. I derive a lot from my point, right? And this is one of those cases when that happens. I was really telling the guys about this building and bam, there we go. But it's fun, I don't mind it. Alright guys, this is where the Prime Minister and the President sit here in Armenia. It's also an old building and I freaking love this one. And just the perimeter overall is pretty cool here. And they asked me to take off my camera from the helmet. So I'm doing a handheld camera. Oh, let's go. I know the parliament was part for like the government, the USSR, but I'm not sure what this building was about during the USSR. I don't know why it was built. So if anybody knows, drop a comment below.
Oh boy, it's hella hot right now. The sun was really not helping me shoot the videos. And since it's a new format, bear with me guys, bear with me. But I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you enjoyed the little trip I took. We're now going to grab a cigar and coffee, which is always a good combination for me. But that said, please comment below if there is somewhere you want me to check out, or if you would want this video to be different in any way, shape or form. Seems like the kids enjoy that. But yeah, like I said guys, this is a new format to me. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Let me know what you want me to do further in these videos to improve it. Improve it! I don't know if you guys find that valley kind of accent annoying or not. It's supposed to be kind of annoying. But yeah, like the video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Yay!